a brief overview of the interactive sessions that are the norms for delivery of courses in online manner. Now for this, the interface that I have chosen is Google Classroom. For this, I have chosen this Google Classroom. The moment you type Google Classroom, this window will open, and from here, with this plus sign, you can create a fresh class with the okay, so you can create a fresh class here, giving out all the details, which room, which class, and all that. So here I have already created a class for our concerned paper, which is for a concerned course, which is Human Psychology in International Relations. So once I have opened up this platform for interactive sessions with the students, this is the window that I'll get to see. Human Psychology in International Relations. So when I have this as a classroom, this is the code, or from here I can even copy this class invite link and share it with the students of my class or of the course who are enrolled in this course. So I can share this link with the students and they can join this classroom. Now it is like a kind of a virtual classroom that I have with them, wherein through this stream thing, through this stream, I can share or I can announce anything to the entire class. Now this announcement works something like here. So if there is any important thing that I want to convey to my students, so that I can announce here, I can write anything here, and like any kind of announcement, and they will receive it. So that will be highlighted here. Now this is an interaction, like this is a public announcement forum, that is the public announcement platform where I'm announcing it to all my students. Coming to it, now if I want to interact, now this interaction can be synchronous or asynchronous. For synchronous interaction, I want my students also to be there with me at the same time in the same platform. Now how can it be done? For example, like if I have here I have created for in the classwork thing, I have created a assignment for webinar. Okay, so I have chosen a topic, I've chosen a topic, and in that I chose a topic wherein I created a assignment for a webinar. I have made all the announcements about the webinar, that dear learners, this is the time, this is the topic, and on this and this date and this and this time, on this link, there will be a live lecture or live session which you all can join, wherein we can have a live interaction or live discussion. So this is the part of the synchronous learning that we can have, or synchronized interaction that I can have with my students. Similarly, from this classwork only, I have created a discussion board. From the topic, under the topic, I have created discussion board. Now this discussion board, when I have created this discussion board, I have given them, like, on this discussion board I typed that this is the question. The question I have typed as an, and then I have given some relevant reading also with regard to that. Once I join, I'll give the link of the relevant reading. I have posed a question to them. Whatever they have understood from this particular reading, they can submit their questions or their viewpoints or their perspective or their understanding about the text here. Herein I can view the responses of the students. So one of the student, for example, has given the response. I can, reply the student. I have here replied it to the student. The student can now, as and when they will read this reply, he will again revert it to me if there is still any query from the student's end. This is giving me how many students I've handed in and all that. So this is a very asynchronized manner of interaction, wherein as per my convenience I am giving them the I'm giving them the question, I'm giving them the providing them with the assignment, and they are on this discussion platform, they are posing their replies or their queries here. Similarly, I have created another this thing. Okay. So I have created another discussion forum with the name that, I've given them an assignment in human psychology wherein I asked them to join a webinar. Okay. Then I have another given them this thing, another topic. I've created another topic which is for this thing. Okay, now this is for the students to, give me under this topic, to give me any they can identify the complicated concepts or thinkers which requires more discussions. Okay, uh, so for that they can give me concerned topics here, or so that I can have a better idea about what is their problem, what can be done in there in that. So this gives me like it is giving me a webinar which is an example of very good example of a synchronized learning, a synchronized interaction. And herein I have given them a questions under certain topics. So under these topics have given them questions, and with this this can be a classic example for asynchronized interaction which can be on this discussion forums.